Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into autoscaling on AWS with a full hands-on demonstration. We'll create a launch template, configure an autoscaling group, and simulate high CPU usage to trigger the launch of new EC2 instances automatically. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create a launch template for EC2, how to set up an autoscaling group using that template, how to trigger autoscaling using a CPU stress test, how AWS automatically adds instances based on load. Let's get started. Step 1, create launch template. From the AWS console, navigate to EC2, then select Launch Templates. Click Create Launch Template. Give it a name of your choice. Give the template a suitable description. Use Ubuntu as the AMI. Choose instance type as t2.micro to remain within the free tier. Create a new security group to allow HTTP and SSH traffic. Navigate to Advanced Details and paste the following bash script. In the user data, we'll use a bash script to install the Apache web server to display Hello from autoscaled instance. Step 2, create an autoscaling group. Go to Autoscaling Groups. Select Create Autoscaling Group. Give it a name of your choice. Choose the launch template you created earlier. Select the instance type as t2.micro to remain within the free tier. Remove the option to add additional instance. Select at least 2 availability zones. Set the desired capacity, 1 minimum capacity, 1 maximum capacity, 3. Under scaling policies, select target tracking scaling policy. Metric, average CPU utilization, target value 50%. So, when CPU exceeds 50%, AWS will automatically scale out. You can add a tag value and key if you choose to. Click Create Autoscaling Group. Step 3, stress CPU. Now that the autoscaling group is running, go to EC2, then Instances. Give the instance running a tag for easy identification. Connect to the running instance using SSH. Run this command to stress the CPU. This will stress the instance's CPU for 5 minutes. Wait a few minutes and monitor your auto-scaling group. Step 4. Verify auto-scaling. Navigate to EC2 and keep refreshing the Instances tab. You should see a new instance come up. Next, we will input the respective IP addresses to verify data consistency across instances. Affirmative. Consistent data retrieval from both instances confirms our instance has been scaled properly. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.